Hi everyone, welcome to Mydrop and welcome to this tutorial. Today we are going to see how to use Mydrop and how to use every feature. My name is Gabriel, I am the founder of Mydrop. I built it during the last few years. I am from France. If you are an agency or a freelancer managing brands, profiles, clients, you know the struggle. You know what it's like to have 10 tabs open, to reply the comments on Instagram, through 20 accounts, to manage the passwords. You know that it's a mess to get your clients post approval. So Mydrop was built to bring a solution to the social media management mess. It's also a solution to the very expensive tools that are out there. We're not gonna give any names, but it can be very expensive to be built per seat, for example, or per profile. Mydrop do not do that. We have a plan for everything and probably for you too. So let's get started. Go create an account on Mydrop, and today we are going to see how to schedule a post, how to create a brand, how to create a white label dashboard, publish on your domain, how to reply to your inbox, comment, DMs, reviews, etc. It's gonna be great. There's a lot of features on Mydrop, as you can see here, and today we're going to see all of them. So let's get started with the first tutorial and see you soon.